Hello mga Katamaraws! Come on and join us today to find a friendly budget chicken wings here in New Belt.
Affordable yet delicious chicken wings. Here are some places where you can buy and eat these chicken wings.
Come on, let's go! We're heading on Wing Vibe because my friend suggested me that place because they're serving a good chicken wing daw.
And that's our first stop. So titignan talaga natin kasi balita namin masarap daw. Tignan natin.
Yes. And for the first stop here in Wing Vibe,
Located at Idol Reyes Street near in UST or University of Santo Tomas.
let's go! So guys, we're going to Jacos na. After we went to Wing Vibe.
Let's see kung delicious ba talaga ang mga crispy wings, chicken wings.
And this is also suggested by our classmates din.
Classmates and friends kasi they nag-aaral din sila dito eh.
Yes.
FEU rin. Kaya nagsasuggest sila ng mga chicken wings.
Yes. We will take you there. Bye!
And our second stop is Jacos.
Jacos here at Gastambide.
Here we go.
So guys, yun, we're from Jacos. Then ngayon, we're going to Famous Buffalo.
Famous Buffalo Wings. Around Gastambide.
Yeah, yes.
So, walking distance lang.
Silang dalawa.
Alright. So, stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We will take you there.
Goodbye.
Okay? Bye-bye. And for the third stop, here in Famous Buffalo.
Located at Gastambide, near UE, University of the East.
So, hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Papunta na kami sa aming last stop ngayon. Which is the Kaboom. So, kasama namin yun I'm with my friend, John Andre. Yes.
And siya tumutulong sa amin ngayon. And our last stop is near, saan ba? Moraita?
Oh, yes. In Moraita. So we're here at Recto right now. And yes, we're going to Kaboom.
The last affordable place to buy chicken wings because yung ibang places din medyo mahal pero hindi na rin siya student price or student packets, diba? Kaya ito, titignan natin kung masarap nga ba talaga or tamtaman lang ang mga chicken wings sa ating mga pinuntahan na lugar.
And for the last stop, here in Gagos Chicken Wings.
Located at Moraita and Recto Avenue.
Let's go!
So, alis na ang mabuti namin kaibigan si Andre. Salamat sa
Yes, sir.
pag-assist.
Bye, Dre!
lang, tapos pagdating
On our way na to test the ano ba? Taste of the chickens?
Yes.
Tingnan
We're
natin
going to... We're,
Tignan natin kung worth it ba talaga ang ating paghihirap dahil sobrang init ito. Tanghaling tapat. Ano ba naman yan?
sobrang init.
Tanghala,
Grabe.
sobrang init. Manila pa.
We're going to test what we bought a while ago. And everything.
Tingnan natin kung okay ba talaga na nasa Manila Belt or U-Belt sila.
So we're going to try the first chicken wing that we bought. It is the Wing Vibe. Yes.
What's the flavor? What's the flavor?
We bought their classic chicken.
Classic chicken.
Um,
This is from Wing Vibe.
Yes. I'm going to try it first.
Look tasty, ha? So I'm gonna try it.
It's a little bit spicy and no, it's not crunchy anymore.
It's not that
Siguro
spicy.
dahil din sa pagbiyahe.
Pero kung haluan natin siya ang kanin, let's see what it takes. Whatever it takes.
Okay naman. Parang maasim. Parang medyo maasim.
Masarap siya pag ginahaluan na kanin, pero kung papapakin mo lang,
Oo nga.
nako,
Yes.
no way. Nakakaumay siya kung papapakin mo lang. Kaya dapat talaga with rice. And affordable price siya. Magkano dito?
Only for 85 pesos.
85 pesos. 3 wings. And
Yes.
delicious. Next is the
Gagos chicken
Gagos.
wing.
Yan, gagos. Para makita.
Yan.
Yan.
Look at their chicken.
Look. Look. Is this a chicken?
I think it is the worst chicken wings ever.
On my entire life, ganito lang, ngayon lang nakita ng chicken wings na ganito. Kasi ang dami ng kanin.
Ang kapal dito natin. Gago tayo masyadong...
Tutong pa. Ako po.
Okay.
Kiss yan.
Let's try.
Try mo nga. Sarap ba? Ordinary chicken.
Yeah.
Two
It is like a home cooked chicken. Chicken wings.
2 pieces chicken. And how much?
But it is only 59 pesos lang naman. Ayan.
59 pesos. 2 pieces. Pero
It's like a normal chicken.
Normal
Parang
chicken lang.
when you cook it in your own.
wala rin. Try natin na may kanin. Home base. Parang luto lang ni Mami. Ha?
And for the next is the
For the next is we bought it from
Jicos.
Jacos.
Jicos. Yan.
It's also classic.
It is look like a delicious.
Let's see let's taste. Look how saucy that is compared sa gago. Look. Masarap na siya kahit tapakin lang. Pero may pagka-spicy. Try natin may rice.
Masarap. Cobra.
Okay. Jacos.
Bago masarap yung Jacos pala.
Okay. Yeah, better visit Jacos and
Meron kayo magkakita. Sa itsura pala, nagko-complement yung itsura and lasa. Sobrang sarap, promise.
3 pieces. Magkano to? Only for 60 pesos. 3 pieces. Good chicken.
60 pesos.
With rice na. This is the last but not the least na try natin. So far.
Yes.
Look natin. Looks unhealthy. Let's see. Good din. Sa famous Buffalo Wings ba?
Yes. For only 85 pesos.
For only 85 pesos, 5 wings, 9 wings. With rice. Pero itong binili namin is 65 pesos, 3 pesos wings.
Yes.
So test lang naman. What's the rating? In your rating? Ano?
Wing Vibe 6 out of 10. Then sa Jcos is Jcos 10 over 10 and Famous Buffalo 10 over 10. Then 3 over 10 sa Gagos Chicken Wings. And that's all. Thank you so much.
Stay tuned for our next
Vlog.
next vlog
Maybe
of chicken. Maybe we may find another
chicken wings here in
Around-
Newbell.
here in Yuba. That's affordable and not so expensive.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I am Jefferson Ponce.
And I am John Patrick Galvez.